Cayman parrot is a colorful, medium-sized parrot with a wingspan of 6 to 8 inches. These parrots are mainly green in color, with red throats and blue feathers on the wingtips. Cayman parrots are not sexually dimorphic, meaning that males and females look the same. Cayman parrots are closely related to the Cuban parrot. There are actually two subspecies of Cayman parrots, one being the Grand Cayman parrot and the other being the Cayman parrot. Cayman parrots feed on a diet of fruits and seeds, and especially enjoy sea grapes and West Indian mahogany seeds. They breed between the months of March and September, laying 2 to 4 eggs at a time. Cayman parrots can frequently be seen in the central mangrove wetland, foraging for food and building nests among the mangrove branches and in hollow trees. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the Cayman parrot is considered near threatened, and populations are noted to be on the decline. In Grand Cayman, the population is estimated to be 3,500 birds, while in Cayman Brac, there are thought to be approximately 500 individuals. Habitat loss is a primary factor in population decline, and in the Cayman Islands, the rapid decimation of our central mangrove wetland for development plays a key role.